Reena from Mrs. Reena's Cocoon. I hope you all are fine and good, right? Yes, this is level 7. Through this video, I'll show you how to teach your kid the different sounds of Y according to the places and according to the vowels. So friends, here Mr. Y is a very peculiar one because he changed his sound according to the place. When he comes in the beginning, we call him in a different pronunciation, and when he comes at the end, there is a different sound, and when he joins along with a vowel, A, E, I, O, U vowel, his sounds again changes. Now let me show you in detail. This is Mr. Y, right? When Mr. Y places in the beginning, his sound changes. Here we have an example. Y. What is the sound of Y? The common sound of Y? It's Y, right? When it begins, the sound of Y is Y, A, K, Y. Another example. Y, A, T, Yet. Y, A, Y, am, yam. The beginning sound of Y is Y, Y. Y, A, L, L, O, and no. Y, A, S, yes. Right? Now Mr. Y is along with his friend. Which friend? Consonant friend, right? He is at the end and he is along with his consonant friend, yum. Now the sound is I sound. M, I, my. B, Y, by. Now, kr, Y, cry. Here, consonant, sound. Letters are two, C and R together, kr, single sound. So when he is along with a consonant friend, the sound of Y is I, cry. I'll show you another example. Here, fl, single sound, F and L together, fl. This we have already learned in blend sound how to join the blends, fl, and now Y, fly. Okay, again another one, tr, Y, try. And I'll show you another word, w, Y, Y. Here W and H together, w, a single sound, w and Y, Y. The ending sound of Y is I here. Now Mr. Y is along with his O vowel friend. B, O, Y, O, Y, Y sound. The ending sound of Y here it is Y, B, I, boy. J, I, joy. He is along with his vowel O friend. So it is Y sound, B, I, boy, J, I, joy. And T, O, Y. Here comes all Y sound, I sound. Now let's see the sound of Y when he is along with his friend A vowel. Okay. Here we have P and A and Y together. When A and Y together, the ending sound of Y here it is A, P, A, pay, S, A, say, L, A, lay, D, A, day, W, A, way. And one more word I will show you, pl and A. Here the sound of P and L together, pl, one single sound. So, pl and ye, play. Tr, t and r together, tr, a, tray. So, ending sound of y, when he is along with his friend a vowel, the sound is ye. And one more thing, when he is along with e, the same sound. Again, ye sound. Gr, ye, grey. Now, Mr. Y, when he is along with the combination of vowel as well as consonant, the sound changes. So, let's see what happens now. Here the word is happy, right? The ending sound of Y is E, because now he is along with the consonant as well as the combination of vowel. When he is along with his both friends, like vowel friends as well as consonant friends, the sound changes. The ending sound of Y is E. Lazy. Lazy. Here the sound of Y is E. He is along with his consonant as well as immediate consonant as well as a vowel friend. Now his sound is E. Now one more word, worry. Here the sound of Y is again E. His immediate consonant friend, both are same sounds. Then a vowel friend. So the sound changes. The sound of Y is E here. I have some more words for you. Here we have city. The sound of Y, the ending sound of Y here, E. Who is his immediate friend? Yes, it's a consonant. Immediate friend is a consonant. After that only vowel. So the vowel and consonant combination along with Y comes. The sound says E. Here again healthy. Y. The sound of Y here, E sound. Immediate friend is a consonant. Again a consonant. Then after that a vowel. And here we have busy. The sound of Y is E. Immediate friend is a consonant, yes. After that, a vowel friend. So these are the different sounds of Y. Different sounds of Y according to the vowels and consonant combination. So friends, thank you so much for watching my video, and I hope this video is going to be a really useful one for your kids. Just try with them and please share the feedbacks in my comment box. Thank you. Take care. Bye bye.